Here is the removal and installation of the display screen for the BMW 2006 750i. It's similar to the 2002 to 2008 model. The tools that you need is a dashboard removal tool and the size T10 Torx screwdriver. If you need a very small screwdriver or just the angle screwdriver. The first thing you do, you remove 3 screws on the top of the display. Once you get those screws out, and then you can pop the panel in front of the display out, and then pop the second panel. You can just use your hand to get it out. And once you get the second panel out, and then you, with the dashboard removal tool, you go behind the display and then and pull it forward, and then you can get it out. And it has 2 plugs, and to remove the plugs, and that's it. And as you can see, there are 2 plugs in there. To get the plugs that you push the tab inside, and you pull the half moon shape clip to the right. And that's about it. And if you need any repair with the navigation screen, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.